Welcome to my engineering drawing playlist. Today we are going to see shortcut method for the pentagon, or you can say for the regular pentagon. So it is really very interesting method to save the time in the examination. In the last video we have discussed about the task 1 for the practice sheet. Now it's done for the second task, regular pentagon by the shortcut method. So let's see first of all the description, or you can say the data. Draw a regular pentagon of 25 mm side. So this is the pentagon that you are going to draw with the help of the instrument. Here you can see the length is given to you as a 25 mm. This is the length that is mentioned in the description, so you have to mention in the drawing also. So now let's see how you can draw this pentagon with the help of the instrument. So this is our output. Now first of all you have to draw the vertical line with the help of the scale that is exactly equal to the 25 mm side that is given to you. So very simple. Here you can see in the pentagon one line is in the vertical position. That's why I have started from the vertical line. It can be horizontal also. So at that time you have to start with the horizontal line. Give the name as AE. Now mark the midpoint and give the name as M. M is for the midpoint. Here you can see 25, so approximately you can say the midpoint is at 12.5 mm. Now draw this line that is exactly perpendicular to AE. So with the help of the scale you can draw the line by meshing this long line. Here you can see these are the long line, so you can mesh it with this line, so automatically it will be your perpendicular line. You can take the length randomly. Now you have to find the perfect length of this MC, and that length of MC that is always equal to 1.54 into length of side. This is the formula particularly for the pentagon. So here the length of side is given to you as 25 mm. So you have to put it over here, 1.54 into length of side, that is 25 mm. So if you simplify, then you will get as 38.5 mm. So now you have to mark at 38.5 mm. So here you can see 10, 20, 30, 40. So here you can say exactly at 38.5 and mark it as C point. Now it is very simple. Now you have to take the compass, set the radius as 25 mm, that is actually the side of the regular pentagon, and then take C as the center and draw the arc on both sides. Then with the same radius, A as the center and E as the center, draw the arc one by one. Once again with the same radius, A as the center, and draw the arc. So once again I am going to repeat. Once you got this A, E and C center, then set the radius of the compass as 25 mm and draw the arc with C as center on both sides. Then E as the center and A as the center with the same radius, that means 25 mm radius. Draw the arc. So you will get the intersection point here and here. Give the name as B and D. Now join the line AB, BC, CD and DE. So your pentagon is ready. So this is the very simple method. Definitely you have to remember this formula, but it is really very simple. There will be no any chance to create the mistake in the examination. So this is your final drawing, so it should be the dark one. Finally you have to give the dimension that is actually mentioned in the description. So is it really simple to draw the pentagon with the help of this shortcut method? Write your answer in the comment box. Thanks my dear friends for watching this video. Press the like button to appreciate it.